The question says express 3.612 and 29.87 correct to two significant figure. So 3.612, this is four significant figure. So if I want to convert to nearest two significant figure, then we need to stop here, 1, 2. Okay. So answer will be 3.6. And if I want to convert 29.87 to two significant figure, that means we need to stop here. Okay. 29 is too significant. So after 9, we have 8. That's why we need to add 1 with it. So 29 plus 1 will be 30. Now, use your answer in part 1 to estimate the value of this one. So question number 2 says 3.612 divided by 29.87. Now I want to use the value of this one. 3.612 can be written as 3.6. 29.87 can be written as 30. Now, 3.6 can be written as 36 by 10 into 30. So convert the denominator to 100. So we can divide 30 and 36 both by 3. 3 12 is 36, 3 10 is 30. Or we can write 12 divided by 10 10 is 100. And final answer will be 0.12. And that is the solution of this problem.